Plastic carpets.
Rug.
Pillow.
Animal skin tent.
A piece of mortar from the house.
Piece of soil from the garden wrapped in fabric.
Sacred soil.
Sacred book.
Sacred text.
Rosary and prayer beads.
Rosary.
Prayer beads.
Rosary.
My headdress hides the key to a small metal chest containing all of the essentials for a wedding.
Ring.
Ring.
Charm.
Ring.
Mother's wedding ring. I lost mine in the bombing, so my mother gave me hers.
My earrings. I make jewelry. All the jewelry of my people. It symbolizes freedom. No one tells me what to wear.
Heart necklace.
Heart necklace.
Virgin Mary necklace.
Bracelet. Bracelet. Bracelet.
No, the bracelet's not my favourite thing. That's Nancy. She's my doll. The night we fled, my mother put her on my bed so we would not forget her.
But in all the rush, she did get left behind.
I don't mind. She'll keep watch.
Watch.
Digital.
And analog.
Family portrait.
Photos. Photos.
Photo of my father.
Memories of my father.
I have nothing from my home. Everything was broken in the struggle. We were out in just 10 minutes. They destroyed the house around my sickbed. The neighbors heard me shout and came and carried me out.
I escaped with my children.
Sister.
Brother.
Husband.
Wife. With my soul.
With my smile.
With my life.